Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Creative Corner. This is Sylvia and today I will be sharing with you the wonderful recipe Kadai Chicken. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the Kadai chicken, I am going to dry roast 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds and 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. Dry roast these two ingredients on low flame. Once it is done, cool them to room temperature and grind to a fine powder. Next, clean and wash the chicken. Into that, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of green chili, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt to taste and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well and marinate the chicken for at least 30 minutes. Take 1 capsicum and 1 onion and cut them into cubes and separate the layers. In a kadai, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and fry the capsicum and onion cubes on high flame till transparent. Once it is done, remove it from the oil on a plate. Next, in the same kadai, I am going to fry 2 finely chopped onion. Fry the onions till light brown or golden in color. Next, into this I am going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Mix it well. Next, add the fennel and coriander seed powder which we prepared earlier and saute it for a minute. Next, we will add marinated chicken pieces. Mix well and cover and cook the chicken pieces for 5 to 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, now I am going to add tomato paste. I have used 3 tomatoes and add little water and saute for a few minutes. Cover and cook on low flame till oil floats. As you can see here, the oil is floating and chicken is also done. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of Amul fresh cream which is easily available in the market. If you don't have, then no need to worry. You can skip and continue with other ingredients. Along with that, I am going to add fried onion and capsicum. Next, we need to add 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder and mix it well. And lastly, sprinkle with some kasuri methi on it. Next, on other side, heat little ghee or oil in a pan. Or here I have taken tadka pan, and add sliced 1 green chilli. Just fry it in the oil. And pour this on the gravy. And finally garnish with fresh coriander leaves, and our super tasty Kadai chicken is ready to serve. You can have this with parathas, chapatis and dosa. Try this once at home and do let me know how it came out. If you like this recipe, please give a like, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.